What's up, everybody? It's your boy Nick back with another video, and today we got a little bit of something special. Finally, the race season has started, so we're here tonight, me and my dad, at the first Midnight Madness of the year. I'm sitting in the truck right now because you know all the generators and everything. So I already went up and got the bike teched in. Put air in the tires already. Put air in the air shifter. Now I'm pretty much just sitting here waiting for them to call me up for the first round, or for the first round. No, I missed the first round of qualifying, so now I'm just waiting for the second round of qualifying. Yeah, gonna see what I can do tonight. Hopefully I you know, put some numbers up, see where I want to be. And I'm racing my cousin tonight too, or not racing my cousin, I'm racing with my cousin. He made it here before I got here, so his first pass was 9:29, which is his personal best on his bike right now. He runs his bike in the super stock, his ZX14 in the super stock like I do, and he's got a little bit of seat time on me. So 9:29, that ain't bad. That's real good for our class. But we're gonna see what I can do tonight.
Great Foley Tower side.
Back on the GoPro. I got a mic in the truck, but I didn't get a chance to put it on before I came up here.
Oh, we got a crash on the top end.
Uh-oh.
Crash on the top end.
We got a crash.
Everybody stay back.
Alright. We back. After about another 30-40 minutes of cleanup. Hey, the GoPro on?
Yeah.
What's my view looking like? Huh? What? Hey, the view look good? Got one shot.
Oh, Lord.
This will probably be it. Because it's about to be 9, they got to do elimination. I'm tired. I'm tight. Okay. little jittery. I'm not gonna lie. First pass of the year. Gotta get back on my shifting. I missed the button. I didn't miss it, I hit it too early. So I shifted in the second too early and messed the pass up. I probably did somewhere around like a 10, 20, something like that. If y'all can't hear me, I promise I'm gonna get the GoPro like working. Let's see what I did. So 10, 156, 64. I think that's a little fast. Dialing in 990. Normally dial in 985, but I only got the one test pass and it was a 1010, so I don't want to run out.
602 at 990.
That's it. That's me. Shake and bake. Too famous. Another one bites the dust. I know I broke out. I know I broke out.
fuck out.
Bro.
I don't know, I hope.
Yeah, 70.
83. I went to 83.
Oh.
Damn.
Man, that motherfucker stood up on me.
It did? I didn't even see.
I couldn't get the shit to shift. I was up in the air.
Hey, you got the video for you.
You do?